Hello and welcome to Simply Pennies. I'm Stephanie and I'm thrilled you're joining me today. Let's take a walk around the penny. Our first big winner is NEGS Global Incorporated, symbol NEGS. This stock catapulted 108% on 131 million shares. This company deals with alternative energy production, specializing in algae farming and biofuels. The last news they had came in mid-December when they announced their agenda for 2011. Parts of that agenda include plans to offer an annual dividend to shareholders, development of an advisory board, and the construction of a new website. Deltron Incorporated, symbol DTRO, jumped up 62% on a volume of 75 million. No news since mid-November when they announced that their Blue View division was discussing potential sales for rebreathers. Rebreathers are underwater life support systems that enable deeper and longer dives. Who wouldn't like that? Infrax Systems Incorporated, symbol IFXY, rallied over 40% on 71 million shares. This is a global provider of smart grid products and services for the energy and utility industries. A press release yesterday announced that they entered an agreement to acquire Broadband Holdings and their affiliate companies, including a full-service engineering and design firm. Stay updated on this one, guys. As for the losers, POPN Incorporated, symbol POPN, fell 28% on a volume of 71 million. This company produces hot air popcorn machines. Their last big news was in the beginning of September when they announced that their Model N9000 popcorn vending machine was in the final stages of its first production run. Another losing stock, China Crescent Enterprises, symbol CCTR, dropped 6% on 96 million shares. This stock was one of our winners on Monday. A press release this morning announced the company would release a webcast presentation today to discuss 2011 business plans and review their operational performance in 2010. This webcast is part of New Mobile, the company that started a $1.6 million pilot project with China Crescent earlier this week. Auctions International, symbol AUCI, is a double loser today. In addition to falling 11% on a volume of 51 million, they also received skull and crossbones rating on OTC markets. Talk about kicking you when you're down. Their quote displays have been discontinued due to a number of shady business issues. This technology company owns and markets software that enables real-time online auctions. On December 10th, a sudden drop in its share price prompted the CEO to announce that no material changes would warrant such activity. Chatters were fired up today about International Development and Environmental Holdings, IDEH. This company works in the parking management industry. Yesterday's press release announced an agreement to acquire a commuter parking facility at the train station in Lynbrook, New York. Today, the company set a goal to acquire 15 total parking facilities this year. They are currently in negotiations with 6 parking garages in the New York City area. The stock opened at just under 6 cents and had a high of 0.068 and a low of 0.057. It rose 9% on 14 million shares and ended the day at 0.06. VPRO Incorporated, symbol VPRO, was a winning stock yesterday, but chatters were not very happy about it this afternoon. After opening at a little over 17 cents, it reached a high of 0.201 with a low of 0.077. It fell nearly 43% on a volume of 43 million. Yesterday's announcement of a binding letter of agreement for a multi-million development contract with Spectrum Pharmaceuticals had led to a rally of 2,700%. But today's drop made the chat rooms a pretty depressing place. Our quote of the day comes compliments of chatter some weird guy who said, "Welp, anybody got anything that they think is gonna pop Friday that they'd like to share? I'll share something with you, some weird guy. No." Solar Power Incorporated, symbol SOPW, got a few newsletter pumps due to today's press release that LDK Solar Company has agreed to acquire a 70% interest in SOPW for around $33 million. Newsletters said that transaction will accelerate the company's project developments. After opening at 58 cents, it rose close to 30% over 2 million shares and closed at 48 cents per share. Sunset Suits Holdings, symbol SNSX, a designer of high-quality menswear, rallied 573% on a volume of just 500 shares. This company's products include suits, sport coats, slacks, dress shirts, and ties. They're based in Poland and have several stores internationally, but they haven't had any news since November and have no website or even any photos of their products. This BS trophy goes out to Sunset Suits and all of the douchebags who wear their invisible clothes. Congrats guys, enjoy the hardware. That is it for me. Thanks for watching. If you just can't get enough of us here at Simply Pennies, check out our website at simplypennies.com or find us on Facebook and Twitter. I'm Stephanie. See you later. Displays have been discontinued due to a new... hold on. Start over.